Getting started with your Wi-Fi camera. Equipment preparation.
Please prepare the following items.
Power on the camera.
Devices waiting to connect.
How to view by app. The first, scan code to download ZOSI Smart app.
Scan the QR code for the latest version.
Secondly, register and login app. Thirdly, add camera by app. Smart connection. Open the ZOSI Smart app. It will pop up the device model IPC C290 and click Add to. Select the Wi-Fi you need to connect to, and input the Wi-Fi password. Set a name for the device, click Confirm.
Scan QR code to add.
First, click plus to scan the QR code on the body. Check Connected and tap Next. Connect to your Wi-Fi and enter the password. Confirm it. Show the QR code to the camera.
Wireless configuration succeed. Wireless connecting. Please wait.
Click Next. Set a name for the device and click Confirm. Install the camera. Find a suitable installation location. Attach the installation sticker. Drill holes as shown in the picture, and nail in the rubber plugs. Fix the camera to the mounting sticker with screws and adjust it to the right angle.